Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add developer tab in Word 2013. Friends, by the help of developer tab you can use advanced feature in MS Word. Now to add developer tab you simply need to click on file and here you will find options. In options you need to click on customize ribbon. Now here you will find the option of developer. You need to select this option and after selecting developer click on OK. Now friends, as you can see, now the developer tab is available on my Word document and here I will able to find lot of options. So friends, like this you can very easily add developer tab in your Microsoft Word, and in any point of time if you want to hide this developer tab you just need to follow the same process and uncheck developer tab. So friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.